On a bright Saturday morning in bustling Maple Street, Sarah and Max moved into their new suburban home. As the sun shone through the wide windows, the couple eagerly opened boxes labeled living room furniture. The instructions, filled with cryptic diagrams and missing steps, quickly dampened their enthusiasm. Sarah, always the optimist, believed it was just like a jigsaw puzzle. But after mismatched parts and a toppled bookshelf, Max's patience was running thin. With every passing hour, their dream living room looked more like a warehouse reject pile. As the shadows of the day lengthened, a radiant beacon of hope arrived. A stylish van with a gleaming logo, Hangman Assembly Services. Out jumped a team of professionals, each with a tool belt that shone like a knight's armor. They gave Sarah and Max a reassuring nod. In moments, their expertise was evident. The room hummed to the rhythm of whizzing tools and perfectly aligned furniture parts. In what felt like a blink, the chaos transformed. The setting sun cast a golden hue over a living room that looked even better than Sarah and Max's dreams. The Hangman team had turned their jigsaw puzzle into a masterpiece. As night descended, the couple, now nestled comfortably in their perfectly assembled living room, raised a toast to new beginnings and the magic touch of Hangman Assembly Services.